Murphy, along with his law, has a funny way of showing up at the most inopportune moments. Boilers go on the fritz when we think everything's fine. Air conditioning systems decide to pack up and take a vacation. And central heating setups get cold feet. Accidents happen when we least expect it, which is why you need to connect with someone who'll be there in a heartbeat anytime, anywhere, to get your HVAC systems back on track. No matter what's giving you gray hairs, we bring our A game each and every time. We pride ourselves on our prompt live customer service, functioning 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Our 100% customer satisfaction guarantee speaks for itself. And our honest, trustworthy technicians will work their magic on any residential or commercial HVAC system. Is there really an alternative? Save our number now. You never know when Murphy will come knocking. But when he does, we'll be there to knock him straight back out again.